Hi, it's Professor Kristen, and one of the biggest concerns right now for all of us is the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. One of the ways that they have shown us or told us to prevent the spread of this virus is to wash our hands. Believe it or not, there is a proper way to wash your hands, and we actually teach nursing students how to wash their hands. So why not everyone learn how to wash their hands so that maybe we can prevent the spread of the virus and also the spread of any virus, influenza, and all the rest that are out there, even the common cold. So let's get started. Okay, let's wet our hands. First, you want to put your hands in the water and get them moist. Then we're going to want to put soap in our hands because soap and water is our biggest weapon to fight this. Then what you want to do, notice that I keep my hands pointed downward in the sink, no upward, because what happens? It all will flow down and we're getting our sleeves wet, we're causing germs to go down our arms, and we want to start to rub, right? We want to rub with a brisk scrub in between our fingers. I tell students to take their fingers and make a little pinching so they can use to scrub their hand with their own fingernails. In and out on the tops of the hands. A lot of friction. It's very important because we're going to actually get our hands good and clean. Still pointing downward in between. And the thing of it is, I've read several things and they said, no, don't sing happy birthday. But truth is, if you sing happy birthday twice and then put another and many more, it actually works for 20 seconds because you want to wash your hands for 20 seconds. So I like to sing happy birthday, so I'm going to sing it to myself. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, dear Kristen, happy birthday to me. That's about 10 seconds. Now we're going to do it again. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, dear Kristen, happy birthday to me, and many more. And if you add them anymore, you're definitely at 20 seconds. Better to have a few extra seconds than two less. Once I'm done scrubbing and washing my hands, getting under the fingernails, in between the fingers, top of the hand, bottom of the hand, I want to go ahead and rinse. I had a little soap there. I'm going to rinse. Notice I'm leaving my hands downward facing the sink as I rinse my hands because I still don't want to put them up. Everything's going to flow whichever way gravity goes. It'll go downward, down the back of my arm and everywhere else, creating a non-clean environment because it's now become moist. Now I do need to reach up and grab my tissues, and I'm going to pat downward, and then I want to make sure that I'm good and dry. And voila, my hands are clean. I'm going to dispense this into the trash can. And for me, being a medical professional, even after that, I'm going to go ahead and do one little pump of hand gel for good measure. And let it air dry. No breathing, blowing, waving. We're just spreading germs. Hey, let's remember to wash our hands 20 seconds or more. Use hand gel, 60% or greater alcohol, and stay home if you feel sick. Put a mask on if you're sneezing and coughing. Let's remember to be good to each other and prevent the spread of any virus, influenza, common cold, and COVID-19. Thank you.